Here is appearance panel for creating multiple stroke or fill. It's better to explain with a stroke to better understand what does this panel do for you. If you don't see that, you have to come to the window and tick appearance there. For example, we have a shape here that we want to create multiple stroke for that. For doing that, it's very simple. You can click on here to change the stroke color. Here, you can click to access the stroke setting that I explained it before. Here, you can change the stroke composing layer to each other. From here, I change with the higher number. It's very simple. You can turn on or off here, or you can make the stroke with click and drag below the fill color or above that. It's very simple. From here, you can access to that. From here, you can add new stroke above that. Click here, change the color. You can see. You can click on here to change width. Nice. And from here, you can blend it to layer below, or at the top bottom, erase it. So it's very interesting. You can change it as it is, or you can make it a normal. You can add another stroke. Change the color, make it above, make it higher. Interesting. Or you can make it below of all of them with click and drag. Nice. So you can create multiple stroke with that. With the fill color, you can change the fill color like this, or you can insert another fill above that. Oh, sorry. Oh, yeah, another fill above that. Change the fill color. To, for example, a gradient. Interesting. And then with the normal, you can blend with the color below of that. In this case, you can see that because in the fill color, our fill are on top of each other, you cannot understand it. But change the fill, change the layer compose of all on top of each other, and you can understand what happened here. So in this case, you can create multiple stroke with that or fill. If you insert a new shape, it maintains all of this stroke and the last stroke and last fill color. From here, you can revert to the default. Or from here, as I explained it before, where was that? In a layer, where was that? I think it's in edit, yeah, in the defaults, reset factory, and don't forget to save it. And after that, you can see your default and default stroke and fill. And if you click, you can store it. Very easy. But if you want to store this, because if you delete that, all of these guns, you have to go to styles, and from here you can create a new category of a style. From here at the category, I explain it more, and then from here you can add the style from selection, and here it is. If you delete that, yeah, appearance gone, and we have just this. With simple double click, you can revert your styles, or you can right click and delete if you want. Don't forget to delete in that. And if you click and drag, this is our default. So I explain it more in a style. after I explain all of these settings in a effect panel. That's Zapier. It's very useful and handy.